on. Want to bet? For the first time ever, tonight Florida sports fans are legally betting on games. Sports betting went live today on the Hard Rock Sportsbook app, but its future still may be in jeopardy because of a number of lawsuits challenging the legality of the compact or the agreement with the Hard Rock itself. Still making its way all through the courts. Let's go to Fox 13's Jordan Bowen. Joins us now live outside the Seminole Hard Rock. Hi there, Jordan. So we know there's a hearing that's coming up this Friday on one of the lawsuits. What do you think we're expecting to see happen with that?
Well, Mark, it will all come down to the judge's interpretation of this federal law which governs Indian gambling, an issue that was supposed to be sorted out in court this Friday. But since the tribe went forth with the launch 4 days early, some experts are saying they may have jumped the gun and it could be a costly decision. Sports betting in Florida is now officially in play. It's as easy as going to a website, scanning a QR code, and installing the app on your phone. Within minutes, you can bet on anything from football to tennis. The move caught fans by surprise Monday when the Seminole Hard Rock Sportsbook app went live without any official announcement from the tribe.
This action by the tribe today is at variance with the representations that have been made to the court, and I think the court will be none too pleased.
As attorney Daniel Wallach explains, the Seminole Tribe had previously acknowledged in court documents its digital platform wouldn't be ready until November 15th. Instead, it went live on November 1st, 4 days before a November 5th court hearing that would have ruled on the legality of the compact. The hearing is part of a lawsuit filed against the U.S. Department of Interior by 2 gambling operators in Florida, which argue the compact violates federal law and hurts their business.
The federal law that governs Indian gambling only allows the gambling to take place on tribal lands, and these pari-mutuel operators are arguing that by its very definition, internet-based sports betting is initiated outside of tribal lands, and as a result, it is not gambling activity that is allowed.
The tribe contends the bets being placed are being run through internet servers on the reservation and therefore within the law. But that's been argued in previous cases and hasn't held up. As Wallach explains, a recent 9th Circuit U.S. Court of Appeals ruling found bettors placing mobile wagers outside tribal lands isn't protected by the Indian Gaming Regulatory Act.
I think when all is said and done, despite what has happened today with the launch of online sports betting, I believe this D.C. federal court judge will enter an injunction to block the launch of online sports betting in Florida.
So we will have to wait till Friday to see what the judge does in this case. We did reach out to the Seminole Hard Rock for comment, but have not heard back. But as of right now, sports betting is live in Florida. You can download the app right now and place bets for the time being. Mark?
All right, Jordan Bowen live outside the Hard Rock. Jordan, thanks.